In this video, I have a 2016 Toyota Scion, and I just want to do a quick demonstration on how to use the windshield wipers. All right, so I'm situated in the driver's seat right now, and it's currently raining. Good time to use your windshield wipers, of course. So this is just a quick demonstration on how to do so. The windshield wipers are controlled by a lever that is on the right side of the steering wheel right here. And you'll notice that there are a couple of icons that will help explain the settings. Okay, so right here is the lever that shows you the different levels of intensity that the windshield wipers will go. As you pull this down over the different settings, the windshield wipers will operate at a different cadence and rhythm. So this is kind of like the low setting. This is the medium setting. Notice they go a little bit faster. And then that's the fastest setting. So the motor is going to be spinning quicker and then moving those arms at a quicker rate. And this is a setting that you don't have to continue to push anything on the lever for it to move. It just stays fixed at that level. So if you put it back into the off position, you'll know that you can push this lever up once and it will just move the wipers one time. So you can do that, and if it's like misting, the setting is actually called mist. So if it's just misting and it's kind of getting a little bit annoying and a little too covered, you could just push it one time. But it's not enough mist for you to be on this lowest setting. So you have that. And then also in the back of the car, there are windshield wipers. Those wipers are controlled by this end of the knob. It says rear right here. So there are a couple of options. You can turn it to the on position and it'll continue to wipe. Or you can put it on that low setting and it'll just do a wipe every probably 5 or 10 seconds. I also want to call out one setting right here, INT, and you can see it says INT. That stands for intermittent wiping, and you can put it into that intermittent section. So it's a slower rhythm and cadence of the wiping, and that is controlled by this speed indicator right here. So this is very slow, and then it goes into a quicker and quicker pace. And that's how you can time both the back and the front wipers according to, what's a natural feel for what you need, which is pretty handy because it gives you more options. It's not just low and high. It's actually 4 different settings, 1, 2, 3, 4, in addition to your low and high. If you want to use your windshield wiper fluid, just pull this lever towards you and it'll start spraying. And if you want to use the back windshield wiper fluid, push this lever away from you and you'll see it coming out. Overall, pretty easy to use. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.